Hey, what's going on, you guys? So, in today's video, we are going to talk about if it is possible to change the Roblox country. So, let's start. Okay, so here I am on my PC. Now, what you can do is go to roblox.com and log into your account. Okay, so once you are in here, you can go to your settings over here, click on the cog icon, and click on settings. Okay, now here under your account info, we can see that the option to change your country is actually removed. So Roblox rolled out a new update which removed the ability of the user to change their country. So here, if you go to account info, that option is no longer here. If you go to security, or even if you go to privacy, that option to change your country is actually taken away by Roblox. So as of 2023, there is no possible way to change your country within Roblox. However, you can use VPN to do this. So you can download VPN and use VPN to change your country. And as of 2023, that is the only option for you to change your country outside Roblox. All right, so I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.